In 1967, within which country was Southwest Airlines founded? If you guessed Japan, you win. No, I'm not crazy. This is Japan Transocean Air, a currently all 737 subsidiary of Japan Airlines. Its original name, used between 1967 and 1993, Southwest Airlines. Notice that air and line are separate words. The Southwest that you're probably used to, that was also founded in 1967, but under the original name of Air Southwest. Only in 1971 did it switch to the current name Southwest Airlines, single word. Try springing that trivia on your friends, and subscribe for more.